Hi and good day. I want to talk about a tight, spasmed neck, wry neck, contracted neck, a muscle spasm, splinting, contracture, shortening of the muscle. They're all the same. But usually this happens on one side of the neck. We usually awaken with this. You see, our brain is sleeping, and it doesn't always awaken when we sleep in the wrong position. So if you're sleeping on a pillow that's too low, too high, your head is cocked up or cocked down, or you're sleeping on your stomach with your head turned to the side, those muscles may not love what you're doing. So obviously, what does it do? It shortens, it aggravates the nerve, the muscle shortens, and it becomes very, very painful to turn your neck. The most common muscles are the levator scapula, which goes from the upper neck down into the shoulder blade. You have the scalenus muscles, the anterior, posterior, and middle scalenus muscles are deep within the side of the neck on both sides. And you have the SCM, called the sternocleidomastoid. That is the thick muscle. So when you turn your head to the side, if you turn right, the left one pops out. And if you turn left, the right one pops out. And that muscle is usually always involved. But you see, with this wry neck, it's usually on one side of the neck. Now, these are some great stretches and great trigger point work you can do on yourself to hopefully knock this problem out in a real short time, within a day or so. But you'll notice that when you have these problems, it usually hurts about 80 to 90% of the time when you turn to the same side of where the neck pain is. So if the left side is shortened and we turn to the left side, usually it's going to catch you. So this is what you do. Take your hand, the opposite hand, where the neck pain is, and I want you to turn to the side until you feel where that pain is. Take these fingers of your fingers of this other hand and push into the muscle. Now, here's the key. When you push, turn as far as you can go to where it hurts. Take these fingers and cross fiber it. Get the muscle and pull it towards you, and just keep pulling it towards you. You may stay on that muscle about 5-6 seconds, stick your fingers in there and pull it towards you. Now the key is get up high as you can on that muscle to where you know it hurts, and work your way down, all the way down to the clavicle. Okay? Take it, pull it, okay, and actually pull it towards you. Cross fiber massage is very effective in breaking trigger points. The other thing you can do is this, is that you're going to take this other hand again, and you're going to turn 45 degrees, and you're going to pull down and to the right. And you're going to really feel it. Now hold that stretch about 15-20 seconds. Then I want you to go ahead and pull more down and to the right. And you're going to hold that about 15-20 seconds. Now I'd like you to take the same stretch and pull straight to the right. You're going to hold it 15 to 20 seconds. And then you relax, then pull a little bit further. Don't be afraid to pull, because you're elongating the muscle. And by elongating the muscle, you're actually stretching the fibers. Now, the first stretch that we've done is very, very effective. But remember, you're cross-fibering it. The fibers run up and down, but you're cross-fibering it and you're pulling it this way. The third part of this particular technique is to take the hand on the same side of the neck to where it hurts. Make a fist and take your knuckles and put it right into those muscles and lean it over into the knuckles. And just let your knuckles just dig into that muscle comfortably. It's going to hurt, and just let it fall over. You can come a little lower. Just let it fall into those knuckles. A little higher. Very, very sensitive. Okay, but you're stimulating specific nerves that go back up to the brain. That's going to tell the brain to send messages back down the muscle. And this particular type of neuromuscular reeducation is going to hopefully reset muscle spindles into that muscle, so it will hopefully relax and heal much quicker. So there you have it. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email. Make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.